Howdy guys, this video will cover 1-2, solving equations with variables on both sides, examples 4 and 5, which we covered on September 1st, 2015. Alright, so let's go ahead and move to our questions. Oops. Where are we at? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this will be example 4. So here we go. We have, what is the solution of 2 times 5x minus 1 equals 3 times x plus 11? Now, first step we should do is realize, we should just realize that we have parentheses with numbers on the outside. And whenever we have numbers on the outside of parentheses, we have to distribute. So take this 2 and distribute it to the inside using that double rainbow thing, or the double arrows. Take the 3 and distribute it to the inside using the double arrows, and we will multiply the outside to the inside. So 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 11 is 33. And we did that with the distribution property. Next, we now have an x on either side of the equation, of the equal sign. So we now need to, let's just get them over to the left side. Let's get the x's to the left side. So we have this positive 3x on this side. We don't want it there. We want it on the left side. So the inverse of positive is negative. So let's go ahead and subtract 3x from both sides. Alright, subtract 3x. So 10x minus 3x is 7x. Bring down your minus 2 equals. The 3x's become 0, and you bring down the 33. And that was the subtraction property of equality. Next, very basic linear equation. We have to solve for x. We have to isolate that x. So circle a term with the x in it and get rid of whatever's outside that circle, which is at minus 2. The inverse operation of minus 2 is positive 2. Well, it's plus 2. So add 2 to both sides, and the 2's add to 0. So bring down the 7x, bring down the 7x, and 33 plus 2 is 35. And that was the addition property of equality. Last step, we have 7 times x. The inverse operation of multiplying is dividing, so let's divide both sides by 7. So 7 over 7 becomes 1. So we'll have 1x equals 35 over 7 equals 5. So your answer will be x equals 5. And that last step was the division property of equality. Okay, that's example 4. So now moving on to example 5. Don't forget, you can pause and rewind if I move too fast. So we have example, this is going to be 5a. So for example 5a, we have 10x plus 12 equals 2 times 5x plus 6. First step we should always do is realize that we have those parentheses, so the number on the outside distributes to the inside using your double arrows. So we have 10x plus 12 on the left side. 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times 6 is 12. Now if you notice, these two sides are equal, so that'll come into play in a second. Let's first just get rid of the x on the right side. So it's positive 10x, so subtract 10x from both sides. 10 minus 10 is 0. Bring down your 12. 10 minus 10 is 0. Bring down the 12. And as you see here, those two sides are equal, but we no longer have a variable. So if we don't have a variable, we no longer have one solution. And since this is a true statement, our answer to this question is infinite solutions, because you have a true statement. Solutions. Infinite solutions is the answer. So if you have 1 equals 1, 0 equals 0, 20 million equals 20 million, that's a true statement. So that means you have infinite solutions. All right, and then last example, example 5b. You have 9m minus 4 equals negative 3m plus 5 plus 12m. Alright, so don't forget, guys, we did this the first week of school. Remember, if you have the same term on the same side of the equal sign, you don't have to use the inverse operation to combine them. If they're on the same side of the equal sign, all you do is add them together. So let's go ahead and do that first. You have negative 3m and then positive 12m. Add them together. So negative 3 plus 12, or 12 minus 3, will be 9m. Bring down the plus 5. And that was combining like terms. Then bring down the 9m minus 4 on the left side. Alright, now next step, we need to go ahead and get rid of the m on the right. So let's go ahead and subtract that positive 9m from both sides. 9 minus 9 is 0. Bring down the negative 4. 9 minus 9 is 0. Bring down the 5. And we have something interesting here. We have a negative 4 equals 5, which is not true, guys. This is a false statement. So if you are positive that your work is correct, and you come up with a false statement, then you don't have a solution. It's no solution. So false statement is no solution. True statement is infinite solutions, and x equals a number, or variable equals a number, is one solution. I'll go ahead and write those out too. So don't forget, true statement is infinite solutions. And then your variable equaling a number is one solution. Okay, so there we go. That was example 5b. Thanks for watching. See y'all in class. Bye.